Hi, this is Shaumya Sarkar from Wealth Redefine. The burning topic today is US heading for a recession? Imagine you are driving a car at 100 km per hour and suddenly you see the road is under construction. US economy, which is given us the major boost in last 70 years of free trade and free movement of labor and goods, which has been instrumental for the world economic growth, had suddenly faces a road bump. The tariffs, which may come with the new administration, may actually be a difficult situation not only for US but also for the entire world. If you look at the recent JP Morgan study, it says that the recession of America is now chances is more than 40%. Previously, they have estimated the chances is of around 20%. When we are all expecting a soft landing of US economy, suddenly we have seen that there may be a chance of a hard landing. Tariff, which is going to come after 90 days of pause, 10% tariff as well as the China tariff may destroy a lot of economical activity and prices may rise. If you look at the US at this point of time, US consumers is having lowest confidence in last 3 years. Consumer price index is also showing the same thing. So if US is heading for a recession, will the market be affected? Definitely. Market will definitely react to it. But as of now, Nasdaq has come down definitely by around 15-16%. But if the recession hits, it may come down further also. We are all linked with US market and global market and Indian market, Chinese market, all are interlinked because of the continuous supply of the goods at a different caliber. So there is a chance that even Indian market may suffer. Though Indian market has come down a bit from 26,000 level of all-time high, it is right now trading at around 22,000. But definitely there may be a possibility of more correction. It is important for the investors to be calm, be long-term, and be patient with their investments. They should not hurry up. They should not change their course very frequently, and they should not take the leverage to buy products, buy stocks or shares. It is always advisable that investors should talk to a proper financial advisors before taking any decision regarding their portfolio. If they are doing it their own, they must show some kind of resilience at this point of time when the things are really hard. I believe after 3 to 4 months of time, things will start softening down and probably we will be again back in track. And I believe that this kind of things time will pass on and we will again back to the growth. But in between, whatever time we have, we must have the clarity, stick to our core principle like asset allocation, have patience and continue our investment with SIPs and everything. This video doesn't recommend you to buy or sell any kind of goods or services. This video is only for the educational purpose, and please talk to your financial advisor before making any decision regarding your purchase of the stocks, mutual funds and other financial assets. Thank you for watching it. If you like it, you may share it with your friends. You may subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with this kind of videos on a regular basis. Thank you.